All right, so the first step is just to write down the separation into, it's going to be four linear factors now. What I mean by that, x is a linear factor, and it occurs twice, so I'll put x squared down, and then x cubed. And why am I saying that? X cubed comes out, what's left over is x plus 4. And then what do you get in the top? I don't know, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. What do I do? Multiply both sides by the LCD. Kind of net marriage, but put this down, you're going to get x cubed plus 19x squared minus 17x plus 12 equals, well, let's be careful here because this is going to be the tough part. Ax squared x plus 4 plus bx x plus 4 plus c x plus 4 plus dx cubed. Well, what's the easiest number to choose? I believe x equals 0 is going to be a really easy number to choose. So I'll write that down for you, x equals 0. And if I do that, what do I get? I get 12 equals, first term disappears, second term disappears, and the d disappears. We're left off with 4c. What's c? Well, that's really simple. C is equal to 3. Let me get my eraser out, and I'm going to erase the c. And in place of that, I'll put the number 3. Whoops. All right, that's done. Then someone says, what's the next number you're going to choose to make your life easy? And I got to be honest with you, the only other number I could really think to be easy would be minus 4. But that's going to be trouble. And the reason it's trouble, it's arithmetic. All right, minus 4 is going to choose that. Now, I realize someone said, why are you choosing minus 4? I believe it's easy. And what I mean by that, it's the right side that I believe is easy. And the first term disappears, second term disappears, third term disappears, but the fourth term would be minus 64. D. My troubles, though, is computing the left side. So I got to be careful, though. And what am I talking about? Minus 4 cubed is minus 64. And 2 times minus 64 is minus 128. I got to do the next one, and it's not easy. It's 19 times 16, and I believe that's 404. I'm sorry, 404. All right, let me show you that. 19 times 16, 190, right, because 10 times 19 is 190. 6 times 10 is 60. And 6 times 9 is 54. So what do I get over there? I'm checking my work. So 4, 9 and 6, 15. That's 20. I'm sorry, it's 304. My mistake. Get my eraser out. And that's 304. Let me just check that again. 10 times 19, 190, and then you get 60 and 54. Let's see, 304. All right, and again, I'm not even done with the arithmetic yet. All right, erase my baby arithmetic over here. And let's see, I'll write this down now. I got another number too, don't I? And what is going to be minus 4 times minus 17, which is going to be plus? Well, let's see. That's going to be 40 and 20, 68. And then you get plus 12. All right? Yeah, I got some work to do over here. And I hate to do it. I got to do the work. So let's see. That's going to be 372 and then a 12. So that's 384. I'm just doing my baby arithmetic on the side. 384 minus 128. That's going to be 14. That's going to be 6. This will be a 7. That's 5. 256. All right? Let's hope I didn't make too many mistakes. So I'm going to erase my baby arithmetic. You're allowed to use calculators if you're struggling with arithmetic. which I do, by the way. I don't enjoy doing it, but I think this looks it's working out too nice. So what do I know D is now? I'll write this down for you. D is minus 4. So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to get my eraser out, and I'm going to put D is minus 4 now. All right? That's not so bad. I still have two things I don't know, A and B. And then someone says, what are you going to do now? I got to pick easy numbers. And then someone said, you ran out of all your easy numbers. No, there's more easy numbers. And again, I always joke you could use your cell phone number if you want, but I don't think that would be a good idea because it's a really difficult number to cube. But I'm going to try 1. All right, what do you get? I got to be careful here. You get 2 plus 19, which is 21, minus 17. Well, that's going to be, let's see, 4, plus 12 is 16. And again, I chose 1. You'll get 5A plus 5B plus 15 minus 4. And I got to clean this guy up, don't I? So let's see what you'd get. You'd get 5 equals 5A plus 5B. Let me just check, see if that's good. Yep. And what does this give me? 1 equals A plus B. All right? Let's try another easy number. What are you going to do now? I guess I got to do the same thing, don't I? Some arithmetic. So it's minus 1, right? And again, I want to stress to you, we're plugging it in, as we always have, into here. And minus 1, let's write this down. You'll get minus 2, you get 19, you'll get 17, and you get 12. And again, I got to be careful. I can add them together. 10, 20, 30, 39, 41, 48. Let me just do that again. 19, 29, 36, 38, 48. 48 minus 2 is going to be 46. Equals, again, we're using minus 1. So what are you going to get? 3A. Again, if I'm choosing minus 1, I'd get 3 times 1, which is 3A. What do you get next? Minus 3B. What do you get next? 9. What do you get next? Plus 4. I got to simplify it. 3A minus 3B. 9 plus 4 is 13. You take 13 from 46, you get 33. I'm going to divide through by 3. You get 11 equals A minus B. I want to highlight the two equations that appear to be very simple. Sorry about that. That appear to be very simple to deal with. The two equations, and there are two unknowns, here and here. And what am I going to do? I'm just going to add them together. And what do you get? 12 equals 2A. What's A? A is 6. Going to go up here, erase. I'm going to put a 6 over here. Whoops. We'll check the key later. What's B? Take any one of these equations. Like, for example, if I took this one over here. Well, if A is 6, B would be minus 5. All right, I'm going to get my eraser out, and I think we're done. Now, by the way, done doesn't mean right. It just means I'm at the end of the problem. If I made a mistake, I'll realize I made a mistake. Going to get my little red pen out, and we're going to look at it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. We're doing okay. We need to move on. Thank you.